So if you want to know which ones are the top AI courses offered by companies like Microsoft, Salesforce, Google, and top institutes like Harvard, MIT, then you are at right place. AI is changing the world faster than ever. And in today's world, whether you are a developer or not, learning AI is not optional anymore. It is a superpower. And the best part is you don't need to spend thousands of dollars. So in this video, I'm going to show you top free AI courses from companies like Google, Microsoft, Salesforce, and others, and also top institutes like Harvard and MIT, which are available for both non-developers and developers. So let's make ourselves future ready without spending a single dollar. We will also discuss which courses are good for different profiles. So based on whether you're an entrepreneur or somebody who works on a particular technology, or you're a student, which will suit you best. You might have heard that Meta and Mark Zuckerberg are offering packages like 250 million, 500 million or more to top minds in AI. And who knows, we may end up getting similar job if we keep learning more about AI. So just give me 5 to 10 minutes of your time and you may end up saving 15 to 20 hours which you may spend on a course which doesn't fit for you. So let's start with courses provided by Google. I feel that courses provided by Google are good for almost everyone. If you want to learn about some other specific technology, we'll discuss those other technologies in upcoming part of this video. First course which Google provide beginners is Introduction to Generative AI. So this is probably the most easiest and popular course available online. So it explains basically, what does generative AI do, how to use different LLM models, how these models are trained, and you can also get a certificate from Google. So one caveat I want to add is a lot of courses which we discuss here are free to learn, but you may have to pay some amount for getting the certification. So it may be $100 or few $100, but you don't need to get certificate if you don't want to. Another very popular course and important course from Google is Generative AI for Leaders. So it is a good course for visionary and maybe if you're a senior manager or leading a company, and it will help you in learning how you can use generative AI to transform the business. If you're a developer, you can try Generative AI for Developers from Google. It will provide you more technical knowledge, details, and hands-on learning on AI and how you can use it to build application. And now let's go to Salesforce. So if you're already working on Salesforce, getting an AI certification on Salesforce is very beneficial. It may help you in moving up the ladder in your company or find a different job altogether. So earlier Salesforce had AI associate certification, but that they have discontinued, and now the certification for AI is Salesforce Certified Agent Force Specialist. So once you go through this certificate, you will have skills managing and optimizing agent force, and you'll have deeper understanding on how to configure Salesforce platform and use agent force. Again, you can learn about it free of cost from Trailhead, but you will have to pay if you want to get certified. Let's go to Microsoft. So if you are working on a company which is more of a Microsoft shop and use products like Azure and Copilot, then learning about these Microsoft course might be helpful. One course which everyone should do is Introduction to AI by Microsoft Learn. So it explains about basics of AI, how AI different model works, and it also tells you how you can use Azure and Copilot in real world scenario. Next certification in Microsoft for more advanced or developers is training for AI engineers. Microsoft Azure also have AI engineer learning path which you can follow and learn from developer perspective. On DeepLearning.AI or Coursera, you will find a course called AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng. The AI classic course, a lot of people have done it and it's very popular, and it provides you all the basics you need to get started with AI. It gives you idea how AI will impact our jobs, businesses, how AI can be used effectively, and it's very good for non-technical and maybe founders to go through this course. Now let's discuss some of the courses provided by Ivy League University, which you can do for free. Know that if you register for in-person course with these Ivy Leagues, then you may end up paying $30,000-$40,000 per annum, which may add up to say 160K or whatever for a 4-year course. But, you can do similar courses for free online, and they are done by same instructors who teach courses in person in these Ivy League, and even the learning modules are same. It provides practice projects as well. So it's a good value from learning perspective. And if you want, you can do certifications and you can add those certifications in LinkedIn, which are pretty valuable. Though you may have to pay some amount for certification, but it's nothing compared to the full course which you do in person. These certification may cost $100 or a couple $100. That's it. Let's look at course provided by Harvard. So first course for beginners is CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence and Python. It gives you idea about foundational models and algorithms, and also tell you how you can use this knowledge in the real life projects, developing games, applications, and other things. Another good course from Harvard is CS50's Introduction to Computer Science. You may think, hey, why do I have to learn computer science? So, though AI can build most of your product, but it's always good idea to understand the code or at least go through it so that, you can modify it if needed. So 80-90% of the code might be good done by AI, but it may still need some tweak and knowledge from technical perspective. Now, courses for MIT. So for MIT courses, what you can do is this website called Open Courseware. And there you can search for different courses which are provided by MIT. Also, there's the MIT Open Learning Library. There you can go and search for different AI related courses. Whether you're a beginner or a developer, you can search appropriate course and go through it. So I hope you found this video valuable and able to learn something from it. Tell me which course you are planning to do next, or if there's any course which we didn't cover and you find it valuable. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any of the upcoming video. Thank you.